everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching and spending a little time with me today. So for today's video, I'm going to be memory planning for the week of March 15th in my Recollections Celestial planner. This kit that I've already laid down is from Sticker Co, which is a shop that I PR for. My code is in the description box down below if you'd like to save and get my freebie. So anyways, I'm just going to go in day by day and just kind of memory keep with things that happened, and that way I can fill out my planner and it'll look all pretty by the end of the week. So let's get started with Monday. First up, I'm going to go ahead and take this cute little heart, like scalloped heart, I don't know, what is it, box from a sampler from Crafts by Thaowie, and then an arrow from the kit, and an edit icon from Crafts by Thaowie as well. And then I also have this like little flower. It's actually from a honey inked sampler, but I was gonna like use it and then I didn't, so I like put it on the kit. So I'm gonna layer all those things together and just write edit inside of the heart because I needed to edit my video for Tuesday. And then I'm gonna take this pretty $2 Tuesday, florally springy leafy kind of deco from Sticker Co just to go underneath it. Then I'm gonna take a I believe this is a quarter box size. Yeah, I'm gonna take a quarter box from the kit with the cute bow already on the top there, and then I'm gonna put wash mask script from Wild Summer Designs because I had a mask washing day, and I decided to try this like deep clean that I saw on, I think, Instagram, where you like wash it in some powdered Tide and it, like let it sit and agitate it, and it makes the water really dirty. So I tried that out. Then I have this adorable like spring florally daisy flower kind of thing, like fun size box from my sampler from the Giving Girl. So I'm going to use that along with a butterfly deco from Honey Inked, and then this pretty $2 Tuesday kind of wildflower little bouquet thing from Sticker Co, as well as a phone icon from Strawberry Creek Studio because I had to call my son's pediatrician just to make sure he was updated on all of his vaccines. And I checked off my bill due. For my gratitude on Monday, I wrote Rosie's kindness because Rosie is one of my followers and subscribers, and she is so kind and sent me a cloud planner because she wasn't going to use it, and so she knew that I had mentioned I was like going to try rings. And I mean, I think I got the package like last week, but I had never officially wrote in my planner that that's what I was grateful for, so I cannot forget how kind and generous that was for, a gift. So I absolutely had to write it in my planner. Thank you, Rosie. For Tuesday, I'm going to take one of these pretty fancy boxes from the Giving Girl, and then there wasn't like a lot of room underneath it, so I just kind of took one of these pretty flourish dividers from Sadie Stickers. I wish I'd kind of maybe put a little bit more than just that, but whatever, it is what it is. Also, the box itself is kind of empty. Maybe I should have put the workout icon further in the box. I don't know. I just don't like how I did this, but whatever. I didn't really have anything else to do Tuesday, so I'm just going to use a workout outfit from the Pretty Pink Co. and then a workout script from Sticker Co. And I wrote Bliss for my gratitude on Tuesday because we watched the Bliss movie on Amazon Prime. It's one of their included movies, and it's got Owen Wilson and Salma Hayek in it, and it was pretty good, and I recommend it. It's kind of Matrix-y, like if you're living in a simulation kind of thing, and it's pretty cool. Then for Wednesday, I'm going to take one of these pretty, it's like a light bulb kind of a thing with flowers coming out of it, dangling. I just love it. It's a deco from Sticker Co, along with a couple of these dingle bows from a Sadie Stickers Francesca freebie. And then I'm going to take a Katie freebie from Sadie Stickers and just wrote P.O. Drop in there because I had to go run to the post office and drop off a Mercari order. And I used also a Crafts by Thaowie mail truck carrier icon thing. And then a side bow from Sticker Co. That was from my freebie. That's my freebie right there with the RX script too. There's just a lot of stickers missing from it because I've already used a lot of it, but that's my sticker with Sticker Co. when you use my code or put my name in the notes. So speaking of that RX refill, I'm just going to take that from Sticker Co. from my freebie and just put it on an appointment label and just be done with that. Then we're moving to the bottom of Wednesday. I'm going to take that freebie from the Giving Girl again, and it has also these adorable little flower dividers with the bows on each side. So I'm going to put a divider in there, and then I have this like hexagon icon from Saucy Sticker Co. from a sampler I got, and I'm going to use the little coffee, mug or whatever. to layer over that. That's also from Sticker Guru because we had a little tea party to celebrate St. Patrick's Day, and so that was pretty fun. It was our first year trying that. We were just trying to do like an Alice in Wonderland themed, Mad Hatter tea party, and that was really cute and fun. So I wrote that for my gratitude for Wednesday as well, since it was our first year doing that, and it was pretty fun. Moving on to Thursday, I'm going to take another pretty fancy box from the Giving Girl, and then another one of these dangling $2 Tuesday plant decos from Sticker Guru, and some more of those dangly bows from Sadie Stickers, just to mark that this was, oh, we had pizza for dinner, so I'm also using a honey inked pizza icon, and we went to Blaze, which is one of our favorite places because it's, I think, pretty affordable, and you can build your own pizza your way, and they even have vegan options, so it's really cool. And so we love Blaze Pizza, and also they do a like Pi Day coupon on March 14th every year, but the coupon is valid for like, I don't know, a few weeks after Pi Day, so we decided to use it on the 18th. And we got our pizza for $3.14 each for each one, so it was pretty good. So that's what I wrote for my gratitude on Thursday, was just having a pizza night. Friday there was not a lot of room to do anything, so I'm just gonna take a deco from Sticker Guru, check off my bills that I paid, and then use a pretty like flourish deco from Honey Inked. And for my gratitude Friday, I wrote fresh fries because we had a lot of potatoes, like whole potatoes left over from like a dinner we made, and we didn't know what to do with them, so we decided to cut our own fries and air fry them, and it was really good. Never tried it before, but it was really good. Saturday, I'm just going to check off my checklist and then just go to the bottom where I always write in what we watch for our movie night Saturday. We were actually supposed to watch Wonder Woman 84, but we didn't because we got like wrong information about it apparently, so we didn't get to watch that. But we did watch Falcon and the Winter Soldier, which is looking like a pretty cool show, so we're enjoying watching that. We love Marvel, so we'll pretty much watch anything Marvel. For my gratitude on Saturday, I wrote Stimmy, because actually we did get it maybe like Thursday or Friday, I think, but I forgot to write it in, and obviously I'm grateful for the stimulus, so that's what I wrote for my gratitude. Finally, moving on to Sunday, I'm going to take this scalloped box from the Crafts by Thaowie freebie, and then this hand-drawn icon from Wild Summer Designs with the sushi kind of bento box style thing, and another flourish divider from Sadie Stickers, and also from the Kitty freebie, this little flourish cute thing, and a honey inked leafy flourish as well, just to write in that we had dinner at a place called Sushi Loca. It was our first time trying this place. Usually we go to like an all-you-can-eat sushi buffet. Well, it's not a buffet. It's you sit down, they bring you the food. But anyways, we decided to try this new place where it's just kind of a la carte, and it's really good. So that was nice. For my gratitude, for my checklist, I'm just writing in a few things that I needed to get done. I kind of messed up that last check mark, but like whatever. Well, what can you do? It was like I had to take some pages and flip them over to the left side of the planner because it's uneven and hard to write. And it ended up messing up the check mark, whatever. Then at the top, I'm going to take another one of those pretty flower dividers from this Giving Girl sampler, and then a page flag from the kit. Then I have this cute wrench with a bow from the Giving Girl, and it was kind of getting lost on top of the icons. I'm just going to take one of her teardrop transparent dots and put that over the flag, and that was because we ordered some nightstands off of Amazon, and so we spent the day kind of building those, and so I'm very excited to have nightstands. It's kind of one of those weird grown-up things that you take for granted. Either you like leave your parents' house with a nightstand, or maybe you just buy one eventually, and we just never got around to buying nightstands, so I'm glad to have those. And for my gratitude, that's what I wrote nightstands. So and then I just migrated my tasks that I didn't get to finish on my to-do list, and then here is a recap with all of the beautiful foil. That is going to be everything for this memory plan with me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up because it supports my channel, and I truly appreciate your support. I'm so grateful for it. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already so you don't miss more of my videos. And leave me a comment if you have a question about anything at all, or if you just want to say hi, and I'll say hi back because I love talking to y'all and responding to all of my comments. I hope that you're well. Remember that you're loved, you're worthy, and you are enough just the way that you are, and don't let anyone ever try to tell you otherwise. Hope that y'all stay safe, take care, have an amazing rest of your week, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!